Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 12 from 2023 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app and I don't want that. And right now we are in the standard photo mode, but as you can see, the timer is not available here. So we have to enter the settings, which are in the left upper corner, and on the second position we've got the timer, so let's tap on it. We've got 4 different options, so off 1, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So in order to set one, just tap on it. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied here. So let's go back to the camera and check. Let's tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on, your device will count down from 10 or 3 or 5, of course. And after that time, it will simply take a photo. And the photo has been taken. Of course, if you want to, you can turn... Okay. Alright, if you want to, you can turn off the timer whenever you want to, just by tapping on off, of course. And from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Maybe not right after, you will have to wait also. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your INFINIX Note 12 from 2023. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.